Yo, good morning. What's good, guys? Excuse the messy hair. Your boy just woke up. My bad. Come on. Yeah. Alright, so what's good, guys? Your boy just woke up. Excuse the messy hair once again. We just gonna roll with it. Today's gonna be a little different. And the reason why is because my camera, my G7X, actually had to get fixed, so I had to take it into the shop, the Geek Squad at Best Buy, to basically get it fixed before my warranty ended. So I just told them everything I thought was wrong with it and then turned it in a day before the warranty ended. So it's getting fixed right now, and it won't be fixed until the 24th of this month. So I actually gotta wait. So I haven't been able to actually film inside the thrift stores because I'm not about to take this big body right here into the thrift store like every day. It's just too big. The reason why I take the G7X is because I just slip it in and out of my pocket whenever I need to film something, and then it's just easy access and just easy to do. So yeah, that's why I'm not gonna have any thrifting footage in this trip to the thrift. I'm sorry, but I do have two things that you guys probably want to see. I have the Complex Con Guess Faces Plus Places little pickup that I got. This bag is super fire, by the way. And then I got a package from Pleasures. So little care package. I'm super excited to open this. I do have another Pleasures package coming. I think by like Wednesday or something. Today's Sunday if you're watching this. And this is actually the first package of two, so I'm excited to get the next one because it has a hoodie in it. Or it's supposed to have a hoodie. And you know we stay cozy, baby! But yeah, so I'm gonna open this. Well, first I'm just going to show you guys the pickups that I got in this trip to the thrift haul, I guess. But yeah, let's just jump into it. First off, I did pick up two of these. You see it right there. It's the vintage Nike sweats. Fire. Came with the matching top. Crazy. It says right there, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. Super crazy. All embroidered. And then, if you follow me on Instagram or if you watched my Complex Con vlog, this is the same exact jumpsuit but in the purple and red instead of black and red. Fire picture on my Instagram, so make sure to go peep it. This one I picked up at a Goodwill. It is a Uniqlo Cause tee. Very simple. These do sell very well. I haven't found a pair of jeans in a minute. Y'all see the salvage denim right there, the red stripes. This is a pair of APC size 32 denim. This will be for sale. If you're interested, hit me up on IG, because you know your boy don't be wearing jeans. Sweats all day, baby. Right here. Oh, and keep in mind this isn't in any like particular order. It's not becoming like more or less fire as I go through the haul. I just folded them there and I'm just going through it. Chris Rock snapback. The Chris Rock Show. Dead stock with the tag. Crazy find. Oops. This is probably the most fire piece of the haul. It is a Urban Jungle vintage Nike gray tag, single stitch. I did pick it up for $5. People on Instagram went crazy for this one. Follow me on IG. This picture got like 700 something likes. Follow your boy! This is the first of two. I did pick up the two teams that your boy Charles Barkley was on, the Phoenix Suns and the Houston Rockets. The thing that was crazy about these is that I found them actually on the same day. You see the back right there, it says Barkley number 4. So I'm guessing someone just was a fan of Barkley and decided to... Oh, I hate that when you think you need to sneeze. But yeah, so this is the back of this one. As I was saying, yeah, so I honestly believe someone just donated their somewhat Barkley collection. Obviously there's only two, but to find both in the same day at the same spot, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, number 34 for the Phoenix one. These will probably be for sale. I'm not the biggest Charles Barkley fan. Obviously, he was a beast. But your boy is LA all day. But yeah, so yeah, those 2 pieces were fire. And right here was just a funny tee. This is from year 2000. It's on an older AAA tag. It's a yellow tee. It says Bozo the Clown. Pretty simple, but this will probably sell. Round 2 probably would even take this. Right here, haven't found any Tommy in a minute, so it's cool to find this one. A vintage Tommy, size large, all embroidered across the chest in the blue. And then lastly, for the thrift pickups, is this vintage XXL Nike windbreaker in the Sacramento colorway. I don't find too many XXL, so if you're interested, hit me up, because these will probably go super fast. Just hit me up on IG if you're interested. Yeah, let's move into this one, the Places Plus Faces. You already know, your boy stay cozy, so I had to pick up the hoodie. I went for something simple so I could wear it with a whole bunch of things. Let me cover my face so y'all can see it. It says Guess Jeans right there, P+F, and then on the back as well, it's got the embroidered Guess and Places Plus Faces logo. And then to match that, I got the sweats. So it's the same exact thing. It doesn't have the front print that the hoodie did, but it does have the embroidered logo on the left leg, like the kneecap area. But yeah, super fire. These were, sweats were 100 and the hoodie was 120, so it actually came out to like, I think it was like 240 or something. So it actually wasn't too bad. But yeah, let's move into the package from the homie over at Pleasures. So let me open this up. I'm pretty excited to actually unbag this. Hold up. This is so hard to open. Okay, we got it open. Okay, we got a good amount of things in here. Okay, so we got, how many tees in here? Oh, just 2. I guess this one is a long sleeve because it feels pretty thick. Oh yeah, so fire. Is this one long sleeve too? Oh, let's go, boy. You know, he had to hook me up with the size XL Pleasures tee. Is it a size XL? Yeah, it says Pleasures right there, going down the sleeve. Nothing on the back, plain white. This is crazy. I'm hyped to wear this. And then right here, he gave me a black pair, or a black tee. Let's see what this, okay, it's got no print on the front. Just on the back, it says, "Victims aren't we all?" Crazy back print. Then it's got the Pleasures, I think, on the arm. Yeah, right there. And a different print than the white one. I'm super hyped to actually wear these tees. Shout out to the homie for sending me these pieces. Shout out to Pleasures for hooking me up. I can't wait for the second bag, to be honest, because the hoodie gonna keep your boy cozy. But yeah, I know I keep saying that I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on my Instagram, and I will. I'm just waiting because I'm putting together some pieces that I think would be the most fire for the giveaway, and how exactly I'm gonna do the giveaway. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, your boy graduates barber school next week. Oh my god. Finally, your boy's been grinding, thrifting every day, going to barber school, cutting hair at home, doing house calls, everything. That's why your boy always look tired, because I'm always just grinding every day. Like, I hate to sleep. I just want to wake up and just start working hard every day, like instantly. I just don't like to sleep. I don't like to wait for the next day to come. But yeah, I still can't tell you guys why I'm collecting all these items behind me. There's a reason why I'm not pushing to sell as much as I was before, and that's because I'm stocking up for something kind of crazy. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was Trip to the Thrift, numero I don't know. And you already know slogan, we the coziest channel in the game. Amen to fashion. what is good. Peace.